wind take you? Oh, right there. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. He came and took that. Where are you? There you are. He's fighting. That's a nice guy too. Oh! No! I bet if I caught that one, the other ones wouldn't even notice, and then fucking would have been golden. We would have catch bear right now. Oh, right there. Oh, he's coming up. Let's go. Oh, that's a that's a decent size. He got double hooked. Number one in the books, because number one previously didn't land on shore, so we're not going to count it. Thank you. Come on, why you gotta nibble it, bud? I'm too jumpy. I haven't been fishing in a while. I'm too jumpy when it's like, yeah,
same.
Right away.
Have the same composure. Let him take it a little bit.
I didn't even know I had him. I just got off my phone.
Holy fuck, that guy's
Like he's fucking, yeah, he's mad because look where he fucking hooked. Of course. Right in front of me too. Bite, bite, bite. Yes, sir.
nice.
Come here, come here. Don't go, you're not going nowhere.
Oh, and the swim bait, whatever. Nice.
That's what I love about it, because with the swim bait, you just gotta reel it in, right?
Oh, yeah.
Little guy, but fuck. Take the fuck down.
Still a fish.
Got her. Got him. Nope. Wait. Yeah, I think that is one. Yeah, that is one. Keep him down. Oh, he's coming up. Relax, relax. Crank. Black and gold. The only one I have, really.
What's with them doing that? They just spit it when they're fucking right here.
Not bad. On the crankbait.
Any fish.
Fish. Yeah. It's a nice little guy. towards me. Oh yeah.
That is a good guy. Bigger than the last. That guy literally 180.
Entering sport mode.